How to survive when the sun just switches off. Yeah, just like a giant cosmic bulb going click. So, one fine morning, no sunrise, just darkness. Permanent blackout mode. First week, the world starts getting cold, oceans begin to freeze, plants, dead, supermarkets, cities turn into giant freezers, and you. Step 1. Find fire, wood, trash, furniture, or your ex's love letters, burn it all. Step 2. Eat smart. No sun means no crops. Stock up on canned beans, frozen pizza, or, if you're really desperate, rat on a stick, bon appetit. Step 3. Energy hacks. Car batteries, bike dynamos, even hamster wheels. Anything that makes sparks is now your personal power plant. Now here's the fun science. Within a year, Earth's average temperature drops below -70 degrees Celsius. Oceans turn to ice. The atmosphere collapses. Basically, Earth becomes a snowball rolling through space. Without the sun's energy, photosynthesis dies, ecosystems collapse, and life, well, life becomes one long ice bucket challenge. Who's happy in all this? Cockroaches, always cockroaches. Now subscribe for Cockroach.